Good morning, students. Now we start chapter 8, Transport and Communication. Name of the chapter is Transport and Communication. At first, we discuss the transport. So, transport, or we can say transportation, is the movement of people, animals, and things from one place to another. Modes of transport or means of transport is a term used for different ways or methods of transport. Each mode has its own infrastructure, vehicles, and operations. This is the transport. Now, means of transport. There are three types of transport. One is land transport, water transport, and air transport. These are the three types of transport. At first, we discuss the land transport. So, run by manpower. For example, bicycle, cycle rickshaws. Run by animals. Example, bull carts, tongs. Run by petrol or diesel or gas engine, whatever. Example, car, bus, truck, etc. Run by steam or diesel or electric engines. Example is trains. These are called the land transport. These are called the land transport. Next one, we discuss about water transport. So boats, ships, sailboats, steamers, submarines, etc. are used for it. These carry people and goods across rivers and seas. These are the water transport. Boat, again I tell, boat, ships, sailboats, steamers, submarines, etc. are used for it. These carry people or goods across rivers and seas. Next is air transport. So it is the fastest means of transport. Airplanes, helicopters, jet planes, etc. are used for it. So these are the example of air transport. So air transport is the fastest means of transport. Aeroplanes, helicopters, jet planes, etc. are used for it. Next, we discuss about the communication. So, communication means to speak with communication means to speak, write, or use signs and sounds to share ideas and information with each other. Communication, telephone, mobile or cellular phone, email, fax, etc. are modern means of communications. They are also the fastest means of communication. Next is postcard, aerograms, inland letter, and letter in stamped envelope are means of postal communication. Next one is people who cannot speak or hear communicate through sign language. These are the communications with each other. So, means of communication, two type. One is personal communication, and mass communication. At first we discuss the personal communication. Communication between two persons. For example, writing a letter to someone, speaking with someone. This is the personal communications. So communication between two persons, for example, writing a letter to someone and speaking with someone. Next one is mass communication. So the communication with many people at the same time. Mass communication is communication with many people at the same time. For example, advertisement on television, book, newspaper, etc. This is the mass communication. Next is a direction is the way in which a person or a thing moves. Map is a diagram or a drawing of a particular area or place on a paper. Road sign give information or instruction to road users. Road sign, maps, and directions help us to locate things. This is the mode of spew communications. We discuss this. Next, we discuss the practice questions. First question is stand facing the rising sun in the morning. In front of you lies the dash and behind you is the dash. Between them to the right side is dash and to the left side is dash. So options are option A east, west, north, south. Option B west, east, south, north. Option C is west, east, south, north, and D is north, south, east, west. So which option is correct? Option B, that is east, west, south, and north. Because stand facing the rising sun in the morning. In front of you lies the east, and behind you is the always west, and between them to the right side is south and to the left side is north. So option A is, so this option B is correct. Next question. Sakshi made 4 groups, each with 2 means of transport with some similarity. In doing so, she made an incorrect group. Identify this incorrect group. Options are helicopter. Option A is helicopter, aeroplane. Option B, train, submarine. Option C is sailboat, steamer, and D is truck, bus. So option B is the incorrect group. That is, option B is the answer. Because helicopter and aeroplane are means of air transport. Sailboat and steamer are means of water transport. Trunk and bus are means of land transport. But option B is an incorrect group because train is the means of land transport, whereas submarine is the means of water transport. So that's why Option B is the answer, and it is also a incorrect group. Next question. Select the odd one. This is the four picture given here. So which option is correct? Option C. Because the given option A, B, C and D shows horse cart, camel cart. This is the horse cart, this is the camel cart. It is a rickshaw and it is the bulk cart respectively. But cycle rickshaw is driven by manpower. So others, these three are driven by animal power. That's why it is the odd. Next question. The road sign shown here means that A or N dash is nearby. This is the picture. So option A. If you see the road sign shown here, it means that it is an hospital is nearby. This means the hospital is nearby. Next question. Dash is a means of non-verbal communication. Option A is radio. Option B is television. Option C is mime, and D is both A and B. So which option is correct? Option C. That is, radio and television are example of verbal communication. It involves words, while mime is an example of non-verbal communication. It involves signs. Its symbols are gestures, symbols and gestures. Next question. Which of the given means of transport can be used to travel maximum distance in a minimum time? Option A is bus, option B is cycle, C is aeroplane and D is horse cart. Which option is correct? Option C. Because we read that among this aeroplane is faster means of transport. Next question. Next question is, select the vehicle that has the same means of transport as the one shown in the given picture. This is the given picture here. Now the options are cycle. Option A is cycle, B is truck, C is ship and D is helicopter. So option C is correct, because this is the submarine and this is the ship, and these two are means of water transport. That's why these two are same. Next question. That is, Kajal is cycling on the road when suddenly she sees the road sign shown in the picture. This is the picture is shown. She shown. What should she do? Option A. She should slow down her cycle. She should stop cycling. Option C. She should take a left turn on the road. D. She should take U-turn on the road. So this option A is correct. That is, she should slow down her cycle. Next question. The traffic police officer is signaling to stop vehicles approaching from option A behind, option B is front, Option C is left side and D is right side. Which option is correct? Option A, behind. The traffic police officer signaling to stop vehicles approaching from behind. Next question. A word is encircled in which option which does not belong to the group? In which of the following options incorrect word is encircled for the group? Option A, car, truck, ship. Yes, ship is encircled. Option B, helicopter, aeroplane, bus. Bus is encircled. Option C, ferry, boat, lottery. Bus is encircled. Boat is encircled. Next option, option D is scooter, motorcycle, submarine. Here, submarine is encircled. So, which option is correct? Option C. That is, this is the encircled. Option C. It is the incorrect word that encircled. That is ferry, boat, and lorry. Next question. Which of the following can be run by gas engines? A is auto, B is train, C is ship, D is aeroplane, and E is car. Now the options are option A and B only. Option B and D only. Option C and D, B only, and D is A and E only. So which option is correct? Option D, that is A and E only. Next question. Full form of PIN is option A, postal index number. Option B, payable index number. Option C, printed in the Indian newspaper, and D is permanent index number. So full form of PIN is postal index number. Next question. Which of the following is incorrect regarding roadways? Options are roads connect different cities, they are coastalites mode of transportation. Option C, they have various type of road signs, and D is it is through roads that we reach railway station, airport, and seaport. So which option is correct? Option B, that is they are the coastalites mode of transportation. Next question. Nowadays, people sitting at far off places can talk to and see each other and express their views with the help of telecommunication and computer. This is done through option A is email, option B is video conferencing, C is radio, and D is fax. Which option is correct? Option B, that is video conferencing. So video conferencing is the latest medium of telecommunication in which digital connection is set up between two or more users, and each of them can send and receive audio visual messages. Next question. Study the given map of Saloni's locality. This is the Saloni's locality given map, and what is located to the west of the school? Where is the school? This is the school's home. Now this part is north, it is shown. So what is the west of the school? Now read the option. Option A is temple, option B is bus stop, C is mall, and D is Saloni's home. So this is the school, Salonius school. This is the Salonius schools. Now, which option is correct? Option D, that is Salonius home. This is the Salonius home. It is the correct option. Next is study the given map of a town and select the incorrect option. This is the given map regarding it. Options are: option A, court is to the east of cyber hub. Option B, sports complex is the east of cyber hub. Option C, school is the south of cyber hub. And D is Rakhi's house is to the north of the shopping mall. So which option is correct? Option A, that is court is to the east of cyber hub. This is the cyber hub and is the court. So court is the east of cyber hub. Next question. The given box contains some letter. Here in the box there are few letter are written. So name of which of the following can we get from these letters? Option A, an audio visual means of mass communication. Option B is a means of written communication that uses internet. C is a two-way means of audio communication, and D is an audio means of mass communication. Which option is correct? Option D, that is an audio means of mass communication. Next question. While driving, Nishi reached a point where the given road signs were present. Select the correct option regarding it. This is the given picture. And options are: option A is she should not take a left turn from here. There is a hospital on the right side of the road. Next option, speed limit for small vehicles like cars is 60 kmph, means kilometer per hour. Next question, at a time maximum 30 big vehicles can be allowed on the road. So which option is correct? Option C, that is speed limit for small vehicles like car is 60 kmph, means 60 km per hour. Next question, direction question number 19 and 20. The same, refer the given word grid and answer the following. This is the given grid. Now the meaning of which of the given symbol is hidden in the given word grid? So which option is correct? Option A, this option, because the symbol given in the option A, B, C and D mean no parking. This means no parking, no left turn, here no left turn, and school ahead, and this is the speed breaker ahead respectively. So out of this only no parking is hidden in the given grid. No parking hidden in this given grid. Next question, the means of communication that is hidden in this grid is a two-way audio means of communication. Option B, a means of digital transmission to send written texts. Option C, a two-way audio visual means of communication, and D is all of this. So option C is correct, a two-way audio visual means of communication. So this means the communication in option A, B, and C are this one the telephone, it is the email, and it is the video, and it is the all of this respectively. So out of which only video call is hidden in the given grid. So that's for the day. Thank you. So today end of the today class. Next day we will start next chapter. So that's all for the day. Thank you.